New details now on a local dentist accused of reusing syringes and endangering the health of his patients. He's voluntarily giving up his license to practice in Colorado. Call 7 investigator Teresa Marchetta here to break down the official decision from the Board of the Dental Examiners. Some disturbing admissions, Teresa.
There are, and this is that stipulation and final agency order signed just last week. In it, Dr. Stein not only admits to reusing syringes, he also admits to being under the influence of drugs while practicing dentistry and taking controlled substances meant for his patients. Stein first came under suspicion when the board got an anonymous tip in June of last year he was using controlled substances. The board voted to suspend Stein's license about a week later, and according to the stipulation, found that he had been using Vicodin. Now, Stein admits to having sought treatment for chemical dependency back in 1998, but now also admits that in 2005, he called in a prescription under a patient's name, picked it up himself, and used it. Stein also admits to the board he would write prescriptions for his patients, ask them to bring those pills in for their procedures, and then take some of the pills for himself. Stein says he combined unused medications into a syringe to be used on another patient and also routinely reused syringes and needles. Now, the stipulation says that Stein is now disabled because of substance dependency, which inhibits him from practicing, while Dr. Stein's relinquishment has the same effect as a revocation ordered by the board. There's a very important distinction here. Because he gave up his license voluntarily, he can reapply for it. He can also apply for a license in other states. I'm Call 7 investigator Teresa Marchetta.